Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones RAZER KRAKEN. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones. And we did it. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just press and hold. Power button to turn off your headphones. And then press and hold to turn on it. We did it, and we also have connected here. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair a new device, and now click on your headphones as the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!